exporting patients' data via AirDrop. The data of a selected patient can be exported to another iPad or Mac by tapping the Export Data button on the right side below the Edit Patient button. In the context menu, select the other device in the section AirDrop. To export several patient data simultaneously, tap Edit at the top of the patient list. Select all patients' recordings that you want to export. In the context menu, select the other device in the section AirDrop. On the second iPad, you would have to accept the received data. Open the received data with the OccluSense app. If the data already exists, a dialog will be displayed in order to choose the correct data for the synchronization.